Hello everyone, my name is Ayub Khamesi and I work at Beckton Studio. It's a Tunisian startup specialized in virtual reality. We already worked on the HTC Vive and the Oculus Rift, and today we're happy to announce that we just added a new headset to our collection, which is the Pico Neo. So this video we're going to unbox and show you everything included in this box. So let's start. Okay. So first we have this. It's a controller. Probably 15. This is the charger. This is the actual thing. So it's pretty small. This is touchpad. Have buttons. Another button. This is probably the main button. The trigger. Probably it. No, we have two other buttons in here. It's pretty small. Yeah, and the charger with the Type-C USB. This is an adapter, because here in Tunisia we need an adapter for the cables. And finally, this is the actual headset. As you can see, no wires included. It implies that it's 6 degrees of freedom headset, which means we can rotate our heads all over all the axes, X and Y and Z, total freedom. Here's the sensors, because this one doesn't need a sensor. What else? Here we have a cable for sound, 2 buttons to control it. Here are buttons for controlling the headset on and off.